How do you describe what you all do?
In a nutshell, we help older adults age in place with dignity and respect. We provide transportation to vital appointments, whether it's a medical appointment or access to food. We'll also take them to community events, though. We keep them safe in their homes. Small repairs, like if they need grab bars installed, smoke detectors updated, change light bulbs, and we combat social isolation. So we do that in a couple of ways. We have what we call warm houses, which are really just social activities where our members get together once a month and they socialize, they do an activity. What's unique to the Midshore that our other sites don't have is we have a low vision support group. And so it's about 12 ladies, all have varying degrees of vision loss. And it's an emotional support group. And we introduce them also to assistive technologies that help them be independent with their vision journey. And then we do social learning events where we partner with community organizations to share vital information to them that they need, that they might not have received, whether it's wills and estates. We did one with Ryan Huffenbein on, options for when you pass. We're going to do one on frauds and scams. But we really, and I've come to understand that we really give them value. I mean, for 9 months, my husband did nothing but sit on the couch and watch TV. Like a moron, I would come home every day and say, well, what did you watch on TV today? But because my volunteers encouraged him, he comes to the Rotary with me. He goes to the enhanced fitness class at the Y. He loves the women in the class. He's realized that he still has life to live.
Yeah.
And so he's able to reinvent that. But we really give them value, and we really let them know that you still have things to contribute to society. And just because you can't drive doesn't mean you can't be as independent as possible.
And how does it work on the volunteer front?
So our volunteers bank time for every volunteer activity that they do, time and mileage, because the reality is we're all going to age out of driving and independence. And so they can bank that time for themselves, or they can bank that time for a family member. We have a husband and wife, for example, that live in Chester. His mother is a member. And from December through April, they're in Florida. So they have all of their volunteer time transferred to her because she isn't able to do her the other options for a give back. And so when she needs an appointment, she just calls up and we transport her where she needs to go. Our members, we ask for a monthly give back as a way to stay engaged in the community. And there are different ways that they can do that. Some of our volunteers will do friendly phone calls or friendly visits to our members. But we try to be a resource for them as well, as providing them with the transportation. And then we have initiatives where we celebrate our volunteers every April. We celebrate our veterans and our spouses of veterans every Veterans Day. We have an Elves for Elders initiative at the holiday time where we partner with other businesses and organizations, and we make holiday gift bags for our members. Because some of our members, they don't have family, unfortunately. Either they just never had children, or their children are out of state. So we feel a little less lonely and isolated. We really are all about helping our members realize that they can thrive, not just survive.
Mm-hmm.
And that, for people who may be caregivers, we're a good source of family support and respite care. You don't have to carry the burden all on your own. And there's no shame in reaching out to organizations like us to help you help your loved one. That's what we're here for.
How much does it cost again?
So currently we have 2 programs. We have a Community for Life program, which is our fee-based program. The fee for that was $216 a month, but most all of our members receive scholarships from the Department of Aging. So in reality, they're paying about $16 a month. Our service exchange model one of the options for a give back is a $20 a month donation, and they get 4 rides per month, 1 ride per week, and unlimited handyman services and member care services, which are things like paperwork, referrals, access to our social learnings and our warm houses. But they could also donate items to, we don't have a storefront. Our Anne Arundel and Frederick locations have storefronts, but we have a pop-up boutique we had been holding events for. We actually have one member who lives in Greensboro. She's one of my low vision ladies. She crochets items for us, and we sell them in our pop-up.
Mm-hmm.
Or they can participate in our phone buddy program.
Mm.
But if they have other ways to give back, like helping us advocate for the organization, they can do that. And immediate family can help with their give backs as well, whether it's they have a son, daughter, or grandchild who can donate an hour or 2 of their time,
Mm-hmm.
or, maybe they can help pay the donation, or maybe they can donate items to the pop-up or volunteer.